Well, Wanagi got a treat today because her hip's healing good, the little puncture wound. But we always give her some peanut butter, and the jar was empty, so I just let her lick it out. But look at her, she just loves it. Her eyes are rolled back in her head. That little doggy like peanut butter. This is my barber right here. Remember we did the piece on the Celebrity Men's Barbershop? Yeah. Quality haircuts and massages and everything and aromatherapy. They do it all. It's awesome. But she's almost done with that. She's after it. You like the peanut butter, Wagi? Folks, we're heading towards Cagandioro, but this is the Pig Express. You believe that? Guy had a pig in a cart? That's only in the Philippines you see that stuff. Well, in Asian countries, I suppose. It ain't that different. Hey, how's it going? You can hear it in my voice. Boy, was I sick. We ended up coming to Cagandioro to get the computer. Was at the repair facility, and it finally got repaired. They had to replace the motherboard, which means I lost about a month's worth of footage, which is really a bummer. I back up my stuff, but it was on my laptop, and I just hadn't gotten to editing it. I had just put it on there off of my SD cards, and laptop wouldn't start up again, so that's what ended up happening. But oh, c'est la vie, so they say, I guess, or I don't know who says that, but anyways. But man, we picked up our laptop, and then I was just not feeling well, and so I took the day and just hung out in the parking lot there, and it got worse and worse, and before I knew it, I was there for 3 days. I couldn't get out of the truck. I was so delirious, almost hallucinating. So my whole body hurt. It was the worst flu I've ever had in my life. Not really, I've been sicker, but it was pretty bad. And so we just isolated in our car, hung out, you know, and slept the whole time. I actually sat with the car running for 2 days with the AC on in the back, so Wanagi and I could be comfortable and just sleep. And that's what we did, and it really was the saving grace. Anyways, but we're on our way back to Davao City now. Wanagi's little co-pilot over there, and you know, still not feeling perfect, you know, not feeling great, but so much better than I was. I wasn't even able to even contemplate driving a vehicle. I could barely walk. I couldn't, like, I don't know what the hell was going on, but anyways, that's just what was happening. So we'll be editing by the time you see this. Well, I'll probably put this before the rest of the videos just to give you a heads up what's been going on. But yeah, we're gonna get back to editing. I probably got at least 3 or 4 days, 8-hour days of solid editing to do. I've got 2 micro SD cards, 128 gigabytes full of drone footage. I've got 2 or 3 of them full of GoPro footage, and yeah, so we're gonna have our work cut out for us, but it's okay. We'll just edit for like a week and take it easy, relax, and just get rested and get recovered. And so that's the plan. But we're gonna head back to Davao City, probably hang out at Chef Paulo's restaurant there in Davao City, because then I can just eat good food, soups, have him make me a bunch of soups, and just get recovered while I edit. Anyways, that's it. Cool. Peace out. We're on the road. Right, Waggy? Yeah. Co-pilot? Hey, I don't know if you can even see me, but look, I'm outside of Paulo's restaurant again, Balik Bukid, and everything's fogged up because this was inside the car and inside the truck right here, see? And so it was air conditioning going in there, and so I got to keep wiping it down because it's got condensation happening on the outside. But they've got a band playing tonight. It's actually Paulo's birthday. It's actually Paulo's birthday tomorrow, but Paulo hooked me up, maybe chicken soup. I'm feeling so much better, but I still am a little bit under the weather. So we're self-isolating in the truck. Let me show you what that looks like, huh? Look. Look who's isolating in the truck. Yeah, that's just us. Wanagi and me, our little world inside the car, truck, camper, Philippines van life. But yeah, we're just gonna hide out and pretty much self-isolate for a couple days. We're well past the contagious time. My dad's actually an orthopedic surgeon, and I talked to him, so whatever we had, whether it was COVID or what it was, who knows, but we are definitely well past the time of contagion, infectiousness to spread to other people. But just out of I just don't want to get anybody else sick, so there's no use. I'm gonna sleep for a couple days. Paulo makes me food. He's got picnic tables over there, and then he leaves it out on the picnic table for me, and then I go grab it, bring it here and eat. And so we're isolated, eating good food, and then right now we're just hanging out, listening. Look, check it out. Check it out. We can see the band in there. We can listen to them playing. How cool is that? I'm bummed though, because there's more Catil crew in here, and we wanted to hang out and meet everyone, but it's okay. We'll just kick back, enjoy the music from inside the van, or the truck camper, I should say. But yeah, I just wanted to share. So we got our laptop finally, and which is great because I can isolate for the next couple days and just pretty much do videos for the next couple days. I don't even know if you can see me. It's pretty dark in here. But yeah, that's the plan. Isolate, eat good food, and work on more videos for you folks. And again, if you guys have been checking out my channel lately, thank you so much for the support. Wanagi loves ya, I love ya, and we're gonna keep the videos coming and cranking them out, and that's the plan. Okay, well, we're both tired, so we're gonna listen to some more music and then probably just go to bed, huh? Yeah, you gonna get a drink, honey? She's got food and water. Little Waggy's world, huh? Anyways, we're good. All right, have a good night. Well, we're headed back to Catil. We were in Davao City for a couple days, and I just decided to get fully recovered from being sick. It would be best to go to Catil and just rent a bungalow from Mama Rose and hang out and just let my body physically recover, because I'm pretty much over the whatever it is I had, but I still have, I still have residual, and I just don't feel 100% back, you know. It just really physically took a toll on my body, and so that's just kind of, I think, is just sitting still, sleeping in a bigger bed, and having a, you know, just to sit on the beach and just relax and not do a lot of moving around or stressing. In Davao, we were literally in the back of the vehicle here with the aircon on for like 2 or 3 days straight. And although that works,